I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, you're asking if there's any razor blades down there because I got you all interested. Well, there was only one razor blade down there. At least, that's all I can see with the magnet. Maybe after I take the bottom plasterboard off, there'll be more of them, but it's a gem reversible. Made in USA. Registered U.S. Patent Office. Fits only gem micromatic razors. So, it's a double-edged blade. Not a World War II. It's from about, well, it has to be after 1961. Unless somebody had a stock of old razors that they kept around. But, for all you people that wondered, yep, gem reversible. So somebody used the slot in the cabinet, but I didn't see any in there, and when I get the sink off, I'll take a look down below and see what's inside. But that won't happen till tomorrow. So we'll just have to wait to see what the rest of the big stash is. Well, you're asking if there's any razor blades down there because I got you all interested. I can answer truthfully, yes. According to oureverydaylife.com, the Gem Safety Razor has a long history that spans almost 200 years. Over time, this razor has been able to claim many titles. At the beginning of the 1900s, the Gem Razor was the best-selling razor of its kind. David Chadwick commented on the last video that he has a friend that's a World War II reenactor. He said that they're so desperate for blades that they're resharpening the old one. He said, don't throw them away if you find a bunch. Well, I only have one. Maybe they would want to use one of these little sharpeners to sharpen this one. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.